Did you know that the food we eat can have a profound impact on our gut health? It's true. Our gut is often referred to as our second brain, and what we put into it can either nourish it or wreak havoc. Today, let's dive into one of the most dangerous foods for your gut: processed sugar. Processed sugar is everywhere, lurking in our favorite snacks, drinks, and even sauces. It's not just a sweet treat, it's a gut health nightmare. When we consume sugar, it feeds the bad bacteria in our gut, leading to an imbalance known as dysbiosis. This can result in bloating, gas, and even more serious issues like irritable bowel syndrome. Imagine your gut as a garden. If you pour sugar on it, you're feeding the weeds instead of the flowers. But that's not all. High sugar intake can also lead to inflammation. When your gut is inflamed, it can disrupt the delicate balance of your microbiome, making it harder for your body to absorb nutrients. This can leave you feeling sluggish and tired, affecting your overall well-being. It's like trying to drive a car with a flat tire. You're just not going to get very far. Now let's talk about cravings. Sugar is addictive. When you eat it, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone. This creates a cycle where you crave more sugar, leading to more gut issues. It's a vicious cycle that can be tough to break. But here's the good news. You have the power to take control of your gut health. Start by reading labels and being mindful of hidden sugars in your food. You'd be surprised at how many products contain added sugars, even those that don't taste sweet. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. Fiber acts like a broom, sweeping away the bad bacteria and promoting the growth of good bacteria. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet can also work wonders for your gut. Think yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods are rich in probiotics, which help restore balance in your gut. It's like giving your gut a little hug. Remember, taking care of your gut is a journey, not a sprint. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results over time. So, the next time you reach for that sugary snack, think about how it might affect your gut health. Choose wisely, and your gut will thank you. Before you go, here's a thought to ponder. Did you know that a healthy gut can improve your mood and energy levels? If you found this information helpful, like this video, subscribe for more insights and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your gut health journey starts now.